Hey guys, and welcome back to Sculpted Hair. Today we're going to be trying out a really cool hair product that just came out that I'm super excited about. My name is Lena, and on this channel I help you get beautiful hair, fall in love with your hair. I do product reviews, so make sure you check out all the links below and make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So what is this product? You probably already know from the title. This is the OLAPLEX Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I'm so excited to try this out because OLAPLEX is known for its infamous technology to rebuild broken bonds in the hair. It can also work on virgin hair. So I know a lot of people use it if they have done a lot of chemical damage, they've bleached their hair, and they love OLAPLEX, which I highly recommend that you do use OLAPLEX if you have blonde hair, bleached hair. It's really amazing to rebuild the bonds. But this type of product can be used for anyone who has thin, fragile hair. So I have thin, fragile hair, and if you see my other videos, you know I talk about thin, fine hair all the time. And so it's really important to strengthen our hair from the inside as much as possible so that we protect it from the outside elements, we protect it from the heat, because let's be honest, we're never gonna blow dry our hair or flat iron it. Once in a while we want to use heat, we want to blow dry our hair, we want to color our hair, and so the best thing to do is to kind of prevent any type of damage in the future by doing all of the right things, taking all of the right vitamins, using all the right products to rebuild the hair from the inside so that it is ready for when we're about to damage it a little bit. So this type of product promises that it's not only going to protect from heat and humidity, but it also has the infamous technology that rebuilds broken bonds. My favorite word in this is that it's volumizing. So for people like us who have really thin, fine hair, especially on top, I have very dense hair in the back, but right on the top, it just tends to fall flat. I don't mind it. I like kind of letting my hair air dry like this. I used New Wash today, so you notice that there's not much frizz. It just kind of air dries, super shiny, and it just sits the way I like it. It's summertime, so I don't really blow dry my hair in the summer. So before I get into it, I'm just going to show you guys the brochure that came in the PR package. Okay, so how to use the blow dry mist. It says for heat protection, apply all over to clean damp hair and blow dry to about 75%. And then number 2, for added lift, apply volumizing blow dry mist again, focusing on the roots. So you want to spray it all over your hair to protect from the heat damage. And then if you want added lift at the roots, then you really saturate the roots and start blow drying. And then finally, number 3, it says section hair as you blow dry. Pretty straightforward. It says direct hair away from the head for more body and bounce. So you just want to pull the hair away for more body. We already know that. So pro tip for added benefit or to refresh second day hair, apply to dry hair focusing on roots and use a round brush to lift again. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the top just because it says that the hair needs to be damp, and I'm going to pull up my camera. So I'm going to spray this right at the roots, and I want it to protect the hair from heat all over. Of course, the first thing that I forgot to talk about is the smell. It smells nice. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells pleasant. Okay, so I just spray all over. Ooh, the smell is really light. It doesn't smell bad at all. It doesn't feel sticky. That's good. I know I'm spraying a lot, but I just want to saturate the hair because I want maximum protection. Now, my hair generally is pretty healthy, so I'm not too worried about it getting damaged from this blowout. It's gonna be super quick. So I'm showing you 2 brush sizes that I like to use. This one is really good if you want really big bouncy blowout. This one is great if you want more rounded hair. So basically, the smaller you go with your brush, the more rounded the hair is gonna be. The bigger you go with the brush, so say we were gonna go for a bigger brush than this, the straighter the hair. So if you're not having that big bouncy 90s blowout that you love, it's because most likely your brush is too big. So the way you want to measure is as long as the hair goes around the brush, I feel like that's a pretty good size for the section that I'm working with. If I want to do curls with my hair, if some of you guys are talented enough to do this, then you want to go for a smaller brush that does this, and then you want to do a couple rolls of this like that, and then once you let go and the hair is completely dry, you want to twist it out like this. I wasn't planning to do this lesson, but I feel like I have to mention this because if you have longer hair than me, you can take these sections like this on the sides, the vertical sections, and go with a smaller brush and you twist it like that, it'll give you like a more bouncier blowout. My hair tends to fall flat most of the time, which is why I don't ever blow dry it unless it's really long. So I am growing it out right now. But for something like this, if I just were to use this size for my hair, you can see how it might give me a little bit of a lift at the roots, but it's not gonna give me that rounded effect on the ends, which is okay for how I wear my hair. I like that. So just a little tip for when you're blow drying your hair. So we're gonna use this one for the top section. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I really want it to work. I do a little bit at the crown too. You know what? Let's comb it too, just so we ensure even distribution of the product all over the hair. It smells really good. I really like the smell. It's not too overpowering. Okay, now I'm gonna take a square section. I know everybody does triangle, but you can do square. I'm gonna use low heat, low intensity, because high heat can end up burning my scalp and we don't want that. Make sure it's hot first. Okay, quick tip, my hair grows forward. So if you have the type of hair that comes forward, you wanna push the hair back. If your hair doesn't come forward, I want you to pull the hair forward like this, because that will give you a really nice blowout. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I know I didn't do the sides, but that's because I just wanna see. Oh! Generally, my hair, honestly, almost never stays up like that. You can feel it right at the roots. It has this like, it's not gritty, okay? But the hair feels drier at the roots, right? So if you have oily hair, fine hair, flat hair, kind of like mine, it always almost feels like it just goes flat and cold at the roots. It's a weird feeling. But when it's gritty like this, it almost feels like I have powder in there, but it's so soft. Okay, now I'm gonna have to go through the rest of the hair because I'm really curious. I don't like volumizing the sides, but for experiment's sake, let's do it. You guys, oh my God, stop. Okay, honestly, I wasn't planning to wear this top for this effect, but is it giving 50s or is it giving 50s? Like, oh my God, my hair never bounces like this. Like, I am a hairstylist. I blow dry my hair all the time. I've had stylists do my hair all the time, and it never does this. And every stylist has always put in the biggest, most volumizing products in my hair because they're like, oh, your hair is so fine. You know when stylists just like shame you for having a certain type of hair? Like, I do have a couple of volumizing products that I really love, but it never like does this. This is wonderful, but see how it collapses? So my hair doesn't really hold curl when I blow dry it, but the volume, oh my God. Yeah, I feel like this is totally a vibe right now. Okay, I'm gonna do the crown. This is insane. Whew, that's a workout. Oh my God. Shut the front door. Jeez Louise. Okay, this is, I don't know what to do with all this volume. You guys, my highlights are popping. If you want to highlight your hair at home, make sure you check out that video. I'll link it up to get like sun-kissed highlights like this. But this is stunning. It's beautiful. Okay, so it feels more on the matte side than it does like shiny. I mean, it's still super shiny. It's not like it's dull, but I was expecting to get a bit more shine, but that's fine. Like, I feel like once we run our fingers through it, the oils from our hands will just kind of work its magic, right? And this feels like so voluminous. So conclusion, this is a big yes. I had a good feeling about this product. I had a good feeling when they sent it to me. I was like, this is gonna work. This is really nice. I obviously trust Olaplex that it's going to protect your hair. Please remember that nothing is going to protect your hair if you overdo it with heat damage. Like, this is probably not gonna help you if you're using 450-degree flat ironing after you blow dry and you're getting your hair bleached. You know what I mean? So just please be realistic whenever you're using heat protecting products, and go easy and gentle on your hair and keep using your Olaplex 3 at home. And wow, I'm super impressed. I'm really loving it. Let me know if you guys have tried it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Super happy about this. I don't know what else to say. So I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye guys.